after your trip. First, switch the main switch on the control panel off so that the water pump is no longer active, and then open all water taps. Drain the fresh water tank so that no water remains in the line system. Dispose of the wastewater at a provided station. Use the lever to drain the boiler over the outlet valve. Also empty the toilet cassette, clean it thoroughly and close the gas bottle. Set the refrigerator door to the ventilation setting so that air can circulate inside. In case of longer mobile home idle times, the power supply with the battery master switch of the body battery, which is located under the driver's seat, should be interrupted. If the vehicle is not used for a long time, for instance in winter storage, we recommend the use of an air dehumidifier.